Hello everyone, I am Professor Vikas Gaute from Department of Information Technology, St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Today, I will be giving session on video creation tool. There are lot of tools available for video creation, but I find Bandicam a very user-friendly and easy to use and understand tool for video creation. So, I will be discussing about the overview of video creation tool, that is Bandicam, the installation process of Bandicam, how to set up Bandicam for video recording lectures, and the demonstration of tool for video recording. See, as a teacher, we need to sometimes add two or more videos together. Sometimes we need to split the videos in two parts or cut the videos unwanted part which we feel after recording that this should not be there in video. So, being a teacher, I find Bandicam suitable for all these functions. Bandicam is a tool used for recording off screen as well as recording a video at the same time. Bandicam is a software which you can download from bandicam.com. Okay, now let's see how to set up and use Bandicam for recording our videos. First, click on the browser and type www.bandicam.com. Click on enter button. You will be directed to the website of Bandicam. Once you landed into this website, what you can do, you can select what you want to do. You can select screen recording, game recording, video capture. These are the options which are given on the web page. So we will select screen recording. At the bottom side of the website, you will find free download and get full version. So we will select free download. It will direct you on the next page of Bandicam. At the bottom side of this page, you will see the two options, registered and unregistered. So, if you are registered user, you will get unlimited recording. And if you are unregistered, then you will get the 10 minutes per file option. Go up and click on download Bandicam. Once you click on download Bandicam, you will be directed to the particular window as shown on the screen. You click on save file. It will ask you to save the file where you want to save. By clicking on save, you can save the particular file on the particular location. As I have already done this process, so it will ask me to replace that particular file. So I will click on no. Once you click on that save file, the exe file is going to save into that particular location. Just click on that exe file. The windows will pop up. Follow the process of next to next window till you reach to the finish button. Once you reach to the finish button, the desktop icon will be created, and when you are clicking on the desktop icon, a window will pop up. The window will look like this. You will find Bandicam icon over here. Near to Bandicam icon, you will find unregistered. As I have already discussed about the registered and unregistered, if you are registered, you need to pay some amount for a registration process, and if you want to go for unregistration, then there is no need to pay any amount, but you will get a limitation of recording time.
You can also see that Bandicat software is also installed automatically with Bandicam. You can see Bandicat icon at the left hand side of the window. When you click on this Bandicat icon, a window will pop up which is going to show the three options for performing the operation on the recording. First one is cut, second split, and third one is join. On the left hand side of Bandicam window, you can see few options as home, general, video, image, and about. In home, there are different types of recording options. You can record specific area of the screen by clicking on any of the options which are shown on the screen. You can record entire screen by full screen option. You can record the screen of a particular area by a round mouse. Now in general option, you can always set a particular path where your recorded videos will be saved by default. Along with this, you have the option of Bandicam window always on top, start Bandicam minimize to tray, run Bandicam on Windows startup. As per your requirement, you can check or uncheck these three options. In video option, you have two parts. One is record and second one is format. In record, you can see record or stop hotkey. What exactly the hotkey means? It means it is a shortcut key which can be used to start the recording even if your bandwidth with Bandicam window is minimized. Next option is pause hotkey. This key helps you to pause the recording in between. For example, you are recording your video and you feel that there is interruption or inference. You can immediately use the option of pause key to pause the recording. Next one is show mouse cursor. If you click on these, then at the time of recording and pointing something on the screen, mouse cursor can be shown. Next and last one is add webcam overlay. If you click on these, your video will appear as it is appearing for you. At the right hand side, you will find the setting button. If you click on that, a window will pop up as shown on the screen. You can see there are different options as sound, webcam, mouse, logo, text, and options. So let's see what exactly is there in sound. By default, the primary sound device would be microphone. Next is webcam. Please make a note that you should have check button at add webcam overlay to output video file. Next here is the setting of the overlay that we can set using advanced. When you click on the advanced, a window will pop up. You can check the position of the overlay by clicking on the options. You can change the size of the overlay as well as you can change the position of the overlay in X direction and in Y direction. Next option is preview webcam on screen. This is a good option. When you are recording your presentation, you can see your video appearing at the left or right corner of the screen. Next option is enable preview toggle hotkey. For the shortcut tab option is given. Next is mouse. By default, mouse cursor can appear only when you click on mouse cursor icon. You can increase the size of mouse cursor for better visibility. The options are given over here. You can increase the size by 200%, 300%, likewise. You can add mouse click effects for left click as well as for right click. You can add mouse highlight effects also. You can adjust the highlight color over here. Next option is logo. You can add logo overlay to video by clicking on checkbox to add the path where your image is resides. Next option is text. If you want to add text to the screen, just click on the checkbox add text overlay to video. Then click on the add button. Then the window will pop up where you need to enter the text. You can adjust the size by clicking on this particular bar. You can set the margin and you can set the brightness of the particular text. Last option is options. This shows the countdown timer before recording begins. Make sure that it is on, as while recording to begin, it will show countdown of 3. Once you're done with all the settings, click on OK. Your recording will start by clicking on F2 button, or you can click this red button to start your recording. In home option, you can see the recorded videos. Let's start with the demonstration of Bandicam software. To record the video lectures by using Bandicam software, you need to click on the icon of Bandicam software. Once you click on this icon, window will pop up and then you need to click on this red button to start your recording. After clicking on this, one file will be generated in the particular window which is going to record the file. After this, you need to select your presentation for recording. So, I am giving you the demonstration of my presentation on exploring video editing tools. So to record, I have to start by introducing myself for this particular session. So, good morning one and all. I am Professor Vikas Bhote from Department of Information Technology, St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Today, I will be discussing on video editing tools. So, my today's session outline is as shown on the screen. I will be discussing on the introduction of video editing tools, basics of editing tools, goals of editing, different types of video editing, then what are the terminologies which are associated with the video editing tools, what would be the minimum requirement to install and run the video editing tool into your system, different free and open source video editing tools, and the demonstration of one of the video editing tool. Once you complete your recording of the presentation, you need to again click on this red button to stop your presentation. Once you click on this red button, your recording will be stopped and the file is going to be generated over here. Before the recording, before you stop the recording, you will see 0 bytes. Once you click on this red button to stop your recording, the file size will be identified over here. Once you click on this stop button, then that particular file will be played by clicking on that link, or you can play the particular file by clicking on this play button. And it is going to be stored into the path which is shown over here. So this is all about Bandicam video creation tool. Thank you so much.